Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So in our last video we have seen that how to create a price group and what is the use of price group and where we can use the set up the price group in that item record level. So in today's video we are going to see how to create a quantity pricing schedule, what is the use of quantity pricing schedule, how we can create a quantity pricing schedule. So let's go. Yeah, in NetSuite, effectively pricing and billing management are crucial for maintaining profitability, customer satisfaction. The key component in this process include quantity pricing schedule, billing schedule, price level, and price group. These are the four things that is very important when we are talking about a NetSuite customer relationship to manage the business. It depends on that. So first we have seen that price level and price group. So now we'll see quantity pricing schedule. A quantity pricing schedule in the NetSuite is a template that defines a pricing based on the quantity of item purchased. This approach incentivizes customer to buy in large quantity by offering discounts at a specified quantity threshold. So in the sense we are setting up that discount level on the based on the quantity, configured quantity. For example, up to 20 quantity, we don't want to give any discount to the customer whenever they are buying any product up to 20 quantity. Suppose we are buying 20 laptops or 20 mobile phone or 20 any item, so then 25, then we are not assigning giving any discount. So when they are crossing 25, in the sense they are reach to 25, then we are giving 10% discount up to 10 to 25 to 49 items, so we can give a 10% discount for 50 to 20, 74. So like that we can configure that price level. So whenever once we'll configure that level configuration, then auto NetSuite will automatically track that, and it will auto calculate in the NetSuite. That is the NetSuite features. Let's ensure first we need to enable one features navigate to setup company enable feature. Under the transaction tab sales section we can find that quantity pricing box. From there we can enable the checkbox, and then we can set the quantity pricing schedule. And then the item transaction, let's check first where we need to go. Company enable feature. So need to go to the setup company enable feature. Under the transaction subtab, under the sales, we can see that billing sales. Under the sale, we can see that multiple currency, multiple pricing, quantity pricing. We need to check the checkbox and we can save. Once this is done, so what is the next? Go to setup accounting preferences on the items transaction sales pricing, maximum quantity based price. Setup accounting preferences. In the item transaction on that item subtype transaction, if we scroll down and the sales pricing, where we can see the maximum of quantity based price levels. In the sense here we can define that how many price quantity pricing schedule we can set up. For example, if we'll select the five on the in the item level, we can see five tires like the five columns to set up quantity based on quantity. So once we'll select the five, here we can see one, two, three, four, five. If we'll select the more, then here we can see how many columns we'll select there, how many numbers. That number here, that column number here will applicable. Suppose we have selected 10 in that place. If you will select here, then 10, then the 10 column will be generated in that place to assign that quantity up to on that up to 10 column we can assign that to different quantity to applicable to that quantity and the price. So here limit of the most price level allowed to the way assigned to an item when using a quantity pricing. So once we'll save this, now we can create a price quantity pricing schedule. So navigate to list, accounting, quantity pricing schedule, new, enter the name, assign some description, define unique range and corresponding, save the schedule, assign the schedule to item. So once successfully will save that quantity pricing schedule, this step NetSuite will automatically track and it will auto apply when we are creating any transaction, sales transaction with that item. Let's go to list accounting item. So let's see this. First, create a quantity pricing schedule. List accounting quantity pricing schedule. If new, we can select new. If we want to check the existing, so here we can see. So this is one of the quantity pricing schedule. We have how we can define that quantity pricing schedule. So use marginal rate in the sense it will auto apply the discount on the based on the quantity pricing schedule we have configured. So in the first tier we have selected up to 25. So in the sense up to 24, the base price will be applicable. No discounts will be applicable. So if we reach to 25, suppose we are ordering 25, then 10% discount will be applicable. 25 to 49, 10%, or 50 to 74, 15%, 20%, from 75 to 99. It will be more than 100, then it will applicable 25%. Just save it and check this checkbox. So it will update the existing pricing and by the line quantity in the each line it will calculate the discount. Just save it. This with the price schedule. Now we can assign that pricing schedule to that item record level. Just go to an item. So here we can see that features in the under the sales transaction. Here we can see that quantity pricing schedule. As of now, leave that. Yeah, save it. And once we'll save that successfully, we can go to we can test to the sales transaction. Enter go to sales order. Now create a sales order with that item. Select the customer, provide that required details to create a transaction. Now select that item where we have assigned that price level. I think that was a notebook. Just select that item. So here now base price is selected. So how it will work? Suppose we have 24, then what will be the price level? same price, no changing. Suppose we are selecting here 25. What should be there? So now we have selected more than 25, so price level is changing. Yeah, this is the once we'll select that base price here, so automatically it will calculate that based on that quantity pricing schedule. So now we up to 25 no discount. So when we select it, so based on the base price, it's applicable like changing the pricing. So this is the way how we can create a price level, and it will auto apply that a specific applicable price level price to based on quantity pricing schedule. Just save it. This is the way how we can create a price quantity pricing schedule, and it will apply. Yeah, now we have seen that quantity pricing schedule. In our next video, we'll see the billing schedule, what is billing schedule, how to create a billing schedule, and how to assign the billing schedule on the item record level. So for today, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest tips and tutorials and videos. Please add your comment and hit the bell icon button and add your like. Please like it. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy learning.